Hey guys, it's Vicky up here. The first thing you need to do is to place something underneath, rather in between. I'm gonna use a combination of silver and black glitter color. Same thing, I'm gonna do it over the edge. So actually this t-shirt is for a friend of mine, so I just want to make her abbreviation here, like her name abbreviation here, and I want to surprise her with this t-shirt. So I'm just gonna write her name. Her abbreviation is MK. I'm just gonna do that, simple later. As usual, I'm just going alright so that the color actually rests on the cloth properly.
You made it!
See, it's just I'm not